Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily format your blurb so that it will display properly on Amazon. So here you can see a formatted blurb, but there's no guarantees that it's going to display just like this when I upload it to KDP. So instead of going into our details page and putting everything in this box and using the formatting tools directly within KDP, what we can do is we can copy our blurb here, and I'm going to take out these extra character returns at the end, copy our blurb, and then come over to the Kindlepreneur book description generator. This is a free tool that is by far and away one of the easiest to use. And as you can see here, it works with Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Rakuten Kobo, and then also for Amazon editorial reviews. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste this. It's going to say, hey, there's some free formatted text, which we know. So just click OK. And then I'm going to just start at the very top, and I'm going to format this how I want it to display. So the top line, what we call our hook, I want that to display as a heading 4. That is the largest heading level that Amazon allows. Then I'm going to just make sure that this all looks good. The next thing is I wanted to test a bullet list on, even though this is a fiction blurb, I want to see how this would go ahead and convert. So we're going to test it. So I just made that my bullet list. Then I'm going to put my book title in italics. And then I can even say, I want this part to be underlined to give it just a little bit more emphasis as that call to action. And that's all you have to do, is make sure that it looks the way that you want it up here. And then you're going to click on Generate My Code. And when it gives you this box, I'm going to highlight all of it, and I'm going to click Copy Code. Now I typically like to paste it in here just so that I have it. I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to copy it from here or anything. I just want to make sure that it's there so I have it living somewhere and I don't have to go and grab it again. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my book description on KDP. I'm going to click on the source button. And you can see that's going to take me over to this section where it's showing me all of the HTML. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste in all of that code. And we don't have to worry about how this is currently displaying as one big block, because when we come over here, we can see that it is formatted properly. Now, one small issue that we do have is this is not going to look like it's bold or bigger than the other lines, but when I put my cursor at the front of that line, we can see up here that it does say heading 4. Then the only other thing that you need to do is go through and make sure that you save on all of the pages. You do need to go all the way through to the end, and we'll hit save again. And this is another good time to just double check your keywords, double check your categories, the main 2 BISAC categories that are chosen, check your subtitle, and then on this page, double check your pricing. Make sure that your pricing is consistent. And then this is the important step. You need to make sure you hit publish your Kindle ebook. Yes, you've already published it most likely, but you have to republish it so that it goes back through the update process, and then your book will be available with the new blurb. Don't worry, your book will still be available while it's in this update process. It just won't have the new blurb until it finishes going through the review. I hope that helps. And if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to visit us on Facebook at Write Your Own Path. Have a great day.